Hey, this is Andrew Sams with Alpine Building Performance, here today to talk a little bit about your water supply system and more specifically your main water shutoff valve. Every homeowner, even renter, should know the location of their main water shutoff valve. In this case, right here, this is the foundation wall. We have our water supply line coming in from the city. It's copper, which is good, that's what we want to see. And then it looks like we have copper throughout the water distribution system as well. A couple quick components here just to help you better understand your water supply system and main water shutoff valve. Down here again we have the supply coming from the city. This is our main shutoff valve here. It's our first valve. So in the event of a leak you would want to shut this off and then identify where the leak is coming from in the home. We have your water meter here. We have a water pressure regulator as well as a backflow prevention device in line here. We have an additional shutoff valve, and then we have a T here. This shutoff valve is going to your sprinkler system. We're in the late fall now, so this is shut off, which is proper. The sprinkler system has been blown out. So this is a quick anatomy here of your water supply and water shutoff valve system.